Why is she on his back? Oh. This is a healthy birdie. He's not very happy.
Some peanut butter, banana.
Feed him.
Nobody's answering.
Come on, baby.
There really isn't much more we can do. Give him some peanut butter.
Fed him 2 words. Get his nose holes plugged in.
Yeah. He's like, Mommy, feed me.
You don't want to hurt
He's
him.
not opening up his beak. He can't.
Get it in there.
Come on, baby.
Come on.
Anything Saul over there?
And whatever her name was across the street. Jordan's
Come on,
mom.
eat, baby.
Don't hurt him.
Yeah, get his tummy too full. They can't hold very much in their tummies. Oh, guys. Surprising enough, those birds have to be cut warm. Oh, come on. Perk up.
Come on. He's sleepy. You're sleepy.
Well, he don't like peanut butter. He likes bugs. You're gonna open your eyes?
Come on.
Just have a little water.
The size of my thumb right here.
It's not you. He did poop, so that's a good sign. Wasn't too long ago he came out of an egg. Yeah, you be nice to the little birdie. I'll tell him he needs to wake up.
Water. Did you guys try water?
Yep, he drank some of that.
There's water.
Well, he's had some.
Here, open it again. Come on.
He got some. He swallowed it. He's done with that. Oh, okay.
Say hi.
Say hi, baby. Say hi.
Stop.
Be caring for his bird all night. Bring entertainment. That's enough. His sinuses are right there.
Can you breathe okay? Say hi, Benny.
Open now? You got your eyes open? You're opening your mouth? That's a good baby.
Bring you up here.
He's a good baby. Yes. See, that's a good baby. Yes. 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 You feeling better? You're starting to feel better? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You gonna open your eyes? Yeah, you're gonna open your eyes? Open them up. Open them up. Open them up. Open them up.
He's like, I got him open as much as I want to.
Squeeze.
Well, we tried as hard as we could, but Benny didn't make it. So we're gonna bury him. My dad actually started crying.
I was gonna lose the tiger.
Benny was a cute bird.
He didn't hippity-hoppity all over.
No, not like a frog. He didn't even chirp. He tried. I love you, Benny.
Where's Benny?